How to fix login or OTP not received issue on cex.io. Are you trying to log into cex.io but not receiving your OTP? Don't worry. This is a common issue and you can fix it easily by following these steps. The first thing to do is to open up your email inbox and then check for the cex.io email inside your spam folder. Sometimes OTP emails get filtered automatically, so you might be able to find it inside this spam folder. Or you can also go ahead and look for the important option. There you'll be able to see the email from cex.io where you can find your verification code. OTPs can sometimes take 1 to 5 minutes, which is a normal delay. Don't request multiple OTPs quickly. This can delay or block your new codes as well. So, if you're still not receiving OTP, then you can go ahead and get to your login screen. Try logging in again by entering your email and password. And once you tap on login, if the code is still not available to you, tap on the resend code button. Make sure you are using the same email used for registration. No spelling mistakes are there and no extra spaces are included as well. Even a small typo can sometimes stop OTP delivery. So, another thing you'll need to make sure is that your device is connected to a stable internet so that your email can arrive in time. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not receiving OTPs or if you're not being able to log into your cex.io application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.